Hi everyone, welcome to My Tunes with Jock. Today we're going to draw Agro and Cutter from Dragon Rescue Riders. So take your marker as usual and then follow along with me and I'll walk you through this. So it's going to be quite easy. It's going to be a long lesson because it's 2 dragons we're going to draw today. So let's see how quick we can go. The first thing that I want to do here, I'm going to start with the nose. This is Cutter. So with Cutter we're going to make something like an upside down V with an extended part there, and then right here in the middle you're going to draw a line down. That's the nose area, and I'm going to draw 2 nostrils right there, and let's draw another nostril here. There we go. So there's 2, and then from here the easiest thing we can do is we're gonna complete the nose like this. Just bring a line up, and on this side I want you to draw a curvy line like that. Good. And now we have these 2 things, and now we can go on to the eyes. So on the right hand side we're going to draw a nice big eye there, and then roughly about that size you can just make a mark there. We're going to draw another eye. So first thing I want to do, I'm just going to draw the top of the eye, make it nice and round, and it's going to be bigger because this one is further closer than that one. And at the bottom I'm going to leave it flat. So I'm just going to draw it flat like that. Good. And then a big pupil. And on this side you're going to do the same thing. You're going to draw a big pupil there, and the light reflections is going to be here at the bottom of the eye today, because they are flying. These 2 will be in the air flying. Let's color the pupils in. Let's draw the irises now. So I'm going to draw 1 iris there. At this side I'm going to leave like that, and here I'm going to draw the other iris. And there we go, we're done. And then at the bottom there's a dark patch under the eye. So you're just going to make a line there, and another one here for the other one. And now you see we draw this little smile here. Now on this side you're going to continue, but you're going to take it right around and you're going to touch the side of the eye there. Good. Now underneath that I want you to draw a second smile. I know it's confusing, but just follow along with me and you'll see. Just something like that. Good. And now here I'm going to draw, we're going to start here at the bottom, and you're just going to make a little mark there that will indicate the bottom of the jaw, and we're just going to take it all the way around and you can touch that side. And here you're going to continue with a smile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. There we go. There we go. For the top eyebrows, I'm going to make an eyebrow there, and I'm just going to draw the bottom of the eyebrow now. There we go. And now we'll do the top part. Now it's nice and thick eyebrows, see? And on this side you're also going to do the same, a nice thick eyebrow, and on the side of the right hand side connect it to the top of the eye. Good, good. Now I want you to draw the top of the head. Curvy line, not too long, just maybe about between the eyes, that length. And now you're going to draw a little dimple or a hole, or whatever you want to call it, and let's follow it all the way through to the side, maybe the height of that point there. Good. And you're going to stop right there. Now this is actually going to be one of the knives or the horns on Cutter's head. There we go. There's 1 horn, and we're going to draw a smaller one on this side like there, and the same one on this side, just a bit higher because it's closer to us. 1 there far away, that's right behind the head, and maybe 1 here as well, a smaller one, which is that one. Good. Now here at the bottom I want you to draw a curvy line out, and we're going to make a zigzag line, and you're going to connect it to the head. There we go. And then here on the side, maybe let's draw 3 spots. There we go. And up here 2 spots. Perfect. And now for the neck, little line out. Good. And the throat area, I'm just going to draw these semicircles. It will give us some interesting shapes. I'm just going to draw two. So right here about will be a hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw fingers. I'm going to draw a pinky, which is a big pinky, and a finger next to it, and I'm going to draw it a bit different, this finger, something like that, and then another finger extending out. So there's the fingers, and the top of the hand, or the claw, whatever you want to call it, and the bottom of the claw. So there's a hand. I know it looks confusing, but you'll see it's going to make sense soon. So, and then we're going to continue with these semicircles, or whatever you want to call that. There we go, and we're going to continue with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue in a straight line down. Right here at the back, I'm going to start with the feet. So I'm going to draw a foot roughly about this. I'm going to draw sort of a triangle kind of shape, but with round edges like that. And then I'm going to draw toes. There's one toe, there's another toe, and there's a third toe. There we go. And there's the foot. Great. And now from the foot, I'm going to bring a line down, and that's going to be the tail, and the tail is completed. And then, like we have knives up here, there's also some knives or horns on the tail. So you can maybe draw maybe 3 there. Good. And we have the neck there already. Great. And now I want to draw maybe the knee. So right here on top of the foot, I'm just going to draw a mark there, and then a circle, and connect it like that. And there's the foot, and there's the side. Great. Now on this side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw another hand or a claw. I'm going to draw a first finger, and next to it I'll draw another finger, and then a last one. Now there's 4, so here would be a thumb. So we'll draw a thumb right there, and what again? The top. We're going to do this top here, and then you're going to extend the arm back to the body. There we go. And there's the other arm, and then for the other foot. What I'm going to do, I'm going to draw this triangle with the round edges again, and from this side I'm going to start with the toes. So there's one toe, there's the other toe, and there's the last toe. Great. And I'm just going to extend that mark there. Top of the foot, something like that, and then the back side of the leg. Good. And then you're going to bring it back to the body. Now on this side, you're going to do the top part of the leg, and maybe something round like this, and let's draw a little spot there as well. Good, wonderful. And there's the body. For the wings, let's start here. So I'm going to draw the wings. I'm going to make a round little mark there, line, and I'm going to draw the wing back, and here I'm going to do the same thing like that. That's the bone area of the wing, and there we go. And then maybe from here I'll bring a line back, and then from there we'll do the same thing there. Now there's going to be these bones in between. Oh, my hand. And then here we're going to do the same thing right there, there, and there. It's sort of these bony fingers. There we go. So just that. And now what I can do is, okay, let's do the other wing first. So we do the same kind of shape that we have there, like this. Bring it all the way back. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, and this could be number 4, and you're going to just bring the wing back. Now in between we have these skins, whatever you want to call them, like that, and maybe something like this, something round back. There's one wing. Let's do the same with this wing. There we go. Here and there. Good. And Wonderful, there's Cutter. Now for aggro, right next to it. So I wonder where we're going to put aggro. So let's start with the left eye, on the left hand side. Yeah, I think that's the best. So maybe in this corner here, I'm going to make a round line. I'm going to make the pupil and of course the iris. And right here on top, an eyelash. Let's color in the eyelash in, and a light reflection. Now on this side we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to start with the nose. So I'm going to draw a nose with a smile like that, with a little nostril right there. And from here, now I have a distance, I'm going to draw an eye. So this eye I'm going to draw a little bit smaller like this because it's farther away. We're going to draw the pupil and the iris, and oh dear, the light reflection. Let's color pupils in. And there's the eyelash. Great. Now we're going to do the head. So I'm going to do a little bit of a brow right here and this place as well. So I'm going to take it all the way around like this. There we go. We're going to make the head. There. Good. And now we're going to do the bottom. So right here I want to make the cheekbone, and on this side we're going to do the same. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to make a line like this. That would be a cheekbone and the other cheekbone, and then the jaw area, maybe with a little chin, and you're going to bring it all the way around. There we go. And maybe there's a few spots. Now a few spots right there. Now the horns on top, top horn, and then the one behind that. You're going to do the same thing here. You draw the horn, top, and of course the one at the back. Good. And there's maybe some sort of little, cracks in the horn. There you go. Beautiful. And this side, let's do the same thing. Yeah, there we go. And there's a few cracks in the horn as well. Right, again from the head we're going to do the neck, just like that. That's all you're going to do. And then from here make these little shapes again that we have here. We're going to do the same. So I think what I want to do first, I'm going to draw the arms. So I'm just going to draw the hand right there with a finger, and maybe one with the back finger, and maybe there's one in the middle, like that. Very easy. And you're going to connect the neck and the arm to each other. Good. On this side I'm going to just draw a very easy arm like that as well, just the outside. So we have these two, and now we can continue with these semicircles or these disc shaped things that will transition into the belly, from the neck into the belly, then to the tail. There we go. There we go. Now from here I think let's draw a foot first. Like that. And then we're going to go continue with this section. So I'm going to draw, but you can use a guideline if you want to draw it more accurate. And then from here you're going to draw the tail. There we go, there's the tail going back. So there's the body, and then the other foot. Let's do the other foot quickly. Here we go. And there's the other foot. The foot hanging and he's flying. Right, the wing. The wing is just behind the head. Maybe like this. There. Going around there. And that's it, and maybe here, like this. There's the wing. The skin in between the fingers. There's a wing, good. And then on this side we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to take it to the head, and then maybe from there you can go back like this. 1, 2, and it goes back to the body right there, and then the skin between them. Good. And there we go, perfect. I think just next to it, let's just draw another small little nostril there, give it some perspective, and there we go. And there's Cutter and Agro. I think they look absolutely beautiful. What do you think? And I'm sure yours look amazing as well. So now you can take your markers, your crayons, or your color pencils, and you can color these two characters in, and I'm sure they're going to look absolutely amazing. Leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else, and I'll be happy to draw it for you. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.